Vinyl is back in a big way, and in 2026, turntables are smarter, better sounding, and more stylish than ever. But with so many options out there, picking the right one can be confusing, and the wrong choice can ruin your whole experience. So in this video, we are breaking down the top 5 best turntables in 2026 that are actually worth your money. Stick till the end for the number 1 pick. If you enjoy real, no-nonsense tech content, hit like, subscribe, drop a comment below, and check the links in the description so you can easily find the best option for you. Number 5. Cambridge Audio Alva TT-V2. The Cambridge Audio Alva TT-V2 is a high-end turntable made for people who desire both contemporary convenience and excellent sound quality. Because of its direct drive mechanism, which guarantees steady and accurate playback, listening to it feels incredibly precise and controlled. Strong clarity in the vocalists and instruments generates a broad and engrossing soundscape, and the sound output is clear, detailed, and well-balanced. Its built-in high-quality Bluetooth capability, which is uncommon for a turntable in this category and lets you connect wirelessly without losing much audio information, is one of its greatest features. Additionally, it has an integrated phono stage, so you don't need any other equipment to connect it straight to speakers or amplifiers. It is appropriate for high-end settings where appearance is just as important as functionality because of its simple, contemporary, and high-end design. The main disadvantage, though, is that it is more of a luxury option due to its price, which is far greater than that of most competitors. All things considered, this turntable is ideal for consumers who wish to have both contemporary wireless convenience and audiophile caliber quality in one device without sacrificing either. Number 4. Technics SL1500C. The Technics SL1500C is a professional-grade turntable designed for users who value long-term dependability and sound accuracy. It makes use of a top-notch direct-drive motor that produces incredibly steady rotation, guaranteeing steady playback free from speed swings. For listeners who wish to experience music precisely as it was recorded, the sound quality is perfect because it is accurate, detailed, and natural. It is simple to set up and begin using immediately without the need for extra purchases because it comes with a pre-installed cartridge and an integrated phono preamp. The design is simple and elegant, reflecting its premium positioning, and the construction quality is strong and long-lasting. It prioritizes pure analog sound performance over wireless capabilities like Bluetooth, in contrast to many contemporary turntables. Because of this, serious vinyl collectors and audiophiles will find it very enticing. It may seem straightforward in comparison to models with a lot of features, but that simplicity is what guarantees its dependability and steady performance. All things considered, the Technics SL1500C is a long-term investment for anyone who appreciates excellent listening without superfluous accessories, sound accuracy, and longevity. Number 3. Fluance RT85. For audiophiles who desire outstanding performance without going over budget, the Fluance RT85 is regarded as one of the best turntables available. It has an acrylic platter and a premium Audio-phone cartridge, both of which greatly enhance sound clarity and lessen undesired resonance. The end product is an audio output that is warm, rich, and detailed that works flawlessly in a variety of musical genres. Smoother and cleaner playing is ensured by its belt drive arrangement, which helps isolate motor vibrations. It has a high-end appearance that complements any home setup because to its sophisticated and contemporary design. Additionally, it has an auto-stop function that stops playback when a side ends, protecting your vinyl records. However, in order to fully utilize it, extra audio equipment is needed because it lacks Bluetooth and built-in speakers. Because of this, people who currently have or intend to construct a suitable audio setup will find it more appropriate. Despite this drawback, it is one of the best mid-range turntables on the market right now for dedicated music enthusiasts because of its outstanding sound quality for its price range. Number 2. Sony PS-LX310BT. The Sony PS-LX310BT is made for novices who wish to enjoy vinyl records without having to cope with difficult settings. Because it is a completely automatic turntable, you only need to press one button to begin and end playing, making it incredibly user-friendly. Its Bluetooth connectivity, which makes it simple to attach wireless speakers or headphones and adds contemporary ease to a traditional listening experience, is one of its most notable features. Additionally, it has an integrated phono preamp, so you don't need any additional hardware to get going. Although it is not intended for audiophiles looking for extensive customization or high-end detail, the sound quality is clear and well-balanced, making it appropriate for everyday usage and casual listening. Because of its straightforward, lightweight, and contemporary design, it can be placed in any setting without taking up much room. Convenience is its greatest asset, since it eliminates the majority of the technical difficulties associated with vinyl settings. All things considered, this turntable is ideal for novices or casual listeners who wish to easily dive into vinyl without compromising wireless capability and basic sound quality. Number 1. Audio-Technica ATLP120XBT USB. The best option overall is the Audio-Technica ATLP120XBT USB, which is among the most complete and adaptable turntables on the market. It has 3-speed support for several vinyl record formats and a direct drive motor that guarantees accurate and steady playback. Because it has Bluetooth for wireless listening and USB output for turning vinyl records into digital files, an uncommon combination in this price range, one of its greatest benefits is its versatility. It is appropriate for both casual listeners and serious vinyl users because of its powerful, clear, detailed sound quality, strong bass response, and good instrument separation. Additionally, it has an integrated phono preamp that makes it simple to connect to speakers or audio systems without the need for additional hardware. Professional DJ turntables served as inspiration for the design, which gives it a sturdy, long-lasting appearance. It's a long-term investment because it permits future improvements like cartridge swaps. Overall, this turntable is the most sensible and dependable option for 2026 since it strikes a better balance between performance, features, and cost than the majority of rivals. These are the top 5 turntables of 2026. It's your chance now to select the one that best suits your setup and experience authentic vinyl sound. Please remember to like, subscribe, and enable notifications if you found this video useful so you won't miss our upcoming best choices and frank evaluations.